In this video, we're going to have a look at how to share the location on WhatsApp. First of all, I'm going to show you how to share the location on WhatsApp iPhone, and then I'm also going to show you how to send the location on WhatsApp Android. Let's dive right into it. On our iPhone, first of all, we're going to open up the WhatsApp application. Then at the bottom, make sure that Chats is selected. Then tap on the chat in which you would like to send the location. Now in the lower left corner of the screen, tap on the plus symbol. And then select location. Then make sure that WhatsApp is allowed to use your location. So either tap here on allow once or allow while using app. As far as the location goes, you then basically have three different options. For one, you can share the live location. Live location means if you're moving to another place after sharing the location will actually be updated accordingly. Or you can choose to send your current location. This will simply send the current location at the time when you are sharing it. Or at the bottom, you will also be presented with some nearby places that you could share. So these are the three options that you have. I'm going with the live location for now, so I tap on that. And to confirm, you will have to tap here on OK. If you get a message like this, WhatsApp does not have access to your location while in the background, you will need to go to the settings to adjust that. So in my case here, as this pops up, I will tap on settings. And I will change that here to always. Now let's go back to WhatsApp and see what happens. And as you can see, I can now share my live location. So I will choose to share this for 1 hour. And then to send the location, simply tap on the send button in the lower right corner of the screen. My live location is now shared with my contact. And this is how you share the location on WhatsApp on the iPhone. Now let me show you how to share the location on WhatsApp on an Android device. First of all, please open up WhatsApp. Then on top, make sure that Chats is selected. Then tap on the chat in which you would like to send the location. And now to send your location, instead of having to tap on a plus symbol, as is the case on iPhones, at the bottom tap on the paperclip icon instead. And then select location. Then tap on continue to allow WhatsApp access to your location. Then either choose while using the app or only this time. I'm going with while using the app. And you can then share the live location, the current location only, or you can also choose one of the nearby places here. So make your decision. I'm going with the current location in this case, so I will tap on that one. And the location will then immediately be shared with your contact. And this is how you share the location on WhatsApp Android. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials.